Assalamu alaikum students of class 7th. Today I'll be reading the lesson number 6 and the lesson's title is pollution. So let's start. Pollution is the addition of any such constituents to air, water or land which adversely alters the natural quality of environment. Pollution is a serious problem of modern age. With rapidly increasing industries, especially in developing countries, the problem is of great magnitude. Industrial revolution, there has been an immense impact of man on environment. Huge industrial installations, introduction of faster modes of transport and spreading of large crowded cities are the main outcomes of the modern times. Kinds of pollution. Pollution is a threat to life. There are many kinds of pollution. Air pollution is a problem particularly for the people living in large cities or in the cities where there are many industries. The air above such places is heavily laden with dust, smoke, poisonous gases, and offensive odors. It affects both plants and human life directly and indirectly. Air pollution can be controlled by the use of special devices in the factories to remove poisonous gases from the fumes before releasing them into the atmosphere. Gas, electricity, and sources of energy should be used instead of coal and other fuels. Trees should be planted in the cities and towns to reduce air pollution. Water pollution is caused by many kinds of domestic and industrial wastes poured into streams, rivers, and lakes. It may consist of dead remains of animals and plants which lead to bacterial growth, reducing the amount of oxygen dissolved in water. The polluted water damages fish and other aquatic life. Sewage is another major source of water pollution. Many cities still continue to pour their sewage directly into rivers. This causes cholera, typhoid, and other diseases to the population which uses this water. Water pollution can be prevented if the dead remains of animals and plants are not released in the freshwater sources and sewage is fully treated before releasing it into rivers or lakes. Noise pollution is becoming an ever-increasing problem in this age of mechanical inventions. Its major sources are the workshops, trains, automobiles, jet airplanes, high-volume radio and television transmission, and loudspeakers. Noise produces several harmful effects on our physical and mental health. It disturbs sleep and leads to many nervous problems. Sudden bursts of sound can cause acute damage to the eardrum and may cause temporary or permanent deafness. In the modern age of industry and electronics, it is almost impossible to get rid of noise pollution. However, there are ways and means to reduce the intensity of noise to a moderate level. That's all. Allah Hafiz.